Good morning, student. Now we will discuss national income and related aggregates. First of all, we will discuss some basic adjustment in national income accounting. The first basic adjustment is gross and net. If any information given in gross term, then how to convert it net, or if any information given in net term, how to convert in gross. The one term is depreciation. If we add depreciation with net, we will get gross, and if we subtract depreciation from gross, we will get net. So GDP, that is gross domestic product, minus depreciation, we will get NDP, net domestic product. GNP, gross national product, minus depreciation, we will get net national product, NNP. So gross to net, subtract depreciation, net to gross, add depreciation. Second adjustment is domestic and national. Domestic is a narrow concept and national is a broader concept in practical sense. So one term is NFI, that is net factor income from abroad. If we add NFI with domestic, we will get national, and if we subtract NFI from national, we will get domestic. And what is NFI? Net factor income from abroad. It is a difference between factor income from abroad and factor income paid to abroad. So GDP plus NFI, that is GNP, NDP, net domestic product, plus NFI is NNP, net national product. Similarly, GNP, gross national product, minus NFI, GDP, gross domestic product. NNP, net national product, minus NFI is equal to NDP, net domestic product. So domestic plus NFI is equal to national, national minus NFI is equal to domestic. The third concept or third adjustment is factor cost and market price. We have already discussed about market price and factor cost. Now, how to convert market price into factor cost and factor cost to market price? If any information market price is given, then if we subtract NIT, that is net indirect tax, which is the difference between indirect tax and subsidy, we will get factor cost. So market price minus NIT is equal to factor cost, or we can say market price minus IT, indirect tax, plus subsidy is equal to factor cost. So if GDP MP is given and you have to find out GDP FC, then GDP MP minus NIT is equal to GDP FC, or GDP MP minus IT plus subsidy is equal to GDP FC. Similarly, if factor cost is given, then add NIT with factor cost, we will get market price, or factor cost plus IT minus subsidy is equal to market price. That is GDP FC plus NIT is equal to GDP MP, or GDP FC plus IT minus subsidy is equal to GDP MP. So these are the three adjustment. One is gross to net and net to gross. Next is domestic to national and national to domestic. And third one is factor cost and market price. These are the three basic adjustment. Now some activity is given. First, so national income minus NFI. So national income minus NFI. So when we subtract NFI from national, we will get what we will get? We will get domestic income. Next, market price and factor cost. The difference of market price and factor cost is nothing but net indirect tax. Third one, GDP MP minus NIT plus NFI. So when you subtract NIT from market price, you will get FC, that is GDP FC, and when you subtract when you add NFI with GDP domestic, you will get national. So it is nothing but GNP FC. Similarly, NNPFC plus depreciation. So when you add depreciation with net, you will get gross, and when you subtract NFI from national, you will get domestic. So it is nothing but GDP. Third one, NDPFC plus depreciation plus NIT. So when you add NIT with FC, you will get MP, and when you add depreciation with net, you will get gross. So it is nothing but GDP MP. So these are the three. Another is GNPMP minus depreciation minus NIT. When you subtract depreciation from gross, you will get net, and when you subtract NIT from MP, you will get FC. So it is nothing but NNP FC. Next, GNPMP minus depreciation minus NFI. So GNPMP. So if you subtract depreciation, you will get net, and when you subtract NFI from national, you will get domestic. So it is nothing but NDP. So these are all about the basic adjustment.